Hey Guru Nation, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. So I got an email question today, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. It's from somebody who is going to become a CRA, and they actually have an interview, and they just want to know what are some of the day-to-day challenges of being a CRA. And again, I'm not the best person to provide this kind of information, but I do have some experience as a contract CRA, so I can share you some of my experiences. But I do have a lot of experience on the other side of the table, being the site at the site level and hearing complaints from CRAs about some of their other sites and the challenges they go through. So the way I would answer your question on what are the day-to-day challenges of monitoring a site from study inception till study closeout is how much time do you have? Because there are just an infinite number of issues that can go on. Most typically, most CRAs complain about being overworked. That's by far and away the biggest complaint I hear from my CRAs. That's not my complaint because I'm a very part-time contract CRA and I purposely choose not to work that much because I have sites, I have CROs, I got businesses to run, consulting businesses, YouTube videos to make. But by far and away the biggest complaint among CRAs is that their workload is excessively strenuous, and you're usually rewarded by doing a good job by being given more work and more problem sites. And yes, you'll generally get paid better if you're one of the better CRAs, but still that's one of the challenges. Now, once you're on site, some of the challenges might be not being able to get enough of the principal investigator's time when you go to the site visits. That's another big complaint. Another one is the site constantly has turnover, and I'm always dealing and training a new coordinator, and it's wasting my time, and I don't have enough time to then go do the SDV because they're always making little mistakes or big mistakes like protocol deviations due to this excessive turnover. So that's another complaint that they have. Yet another one is some of the clerical SDV issues. Sometimes you get research naive sites or sites that are inexperienced or study coordinators that don't have as much experience as you would like, and they're not entering data properly, or they're just making a bunch of tiny errors. And yeah, the EDC system is supposed to automatically trigger some of those things, but really it falls down to the CRA doing those queries and then query resolution. It's just time consuming. So those are the big things. Also, regulatory submissions, not the initial regulatory submissions, but issues with safety reports, SUSARs, safety letters, making sure that they're all filed, making sure that the sites are using the proper versions of the informed consents when the protocols get amended. Those are the big things that CRAs complain about and some of the challenges CRAs face. But by far and away, it is the strenuous workload that most CRAs have, which is why many go on to open their own sites, or many jump to another CRO because the opportunity presents itself as slightly less of a workload, but again, the cycle just repeats because then they're rewarded by doing a good job by being given more work. And this is especially true for those that are salaried CRAs. So, in a nutshell, that's been my experiences and my anecdotal experiences from other CRAs that I interact with on a daily basis. Thank you very much for watching, and talk to you soon.